Hi everyone! Today we are baking something warm, sweet and cozy since fall knocks on the door already. Cinnamon rolls are perfect for those chilly days when you just want to stay in and treat yourself. So let's get started. We start with the dough, a simple mix of flour, sugar, yeast, warm milk, melted butter and eggs. Knead it gently until it's soft and smooth. This is where the magic begins. Let the dough rise for about an hour until it's doubled its size. Perfect time to get cozy and drink some coffee. Once the dough has risen, roll it out and spread with softened butter. Then comes the best part. Sprinkle a mix of sugar and cinnamon all over. This is exactly where that irresistible aroma comes from. Roll it up nice and tight, then slice it into perfect little rolls. Each one is a swirl of buttery cinnamon goodness. After you've cut it, let the rolls rise one more time. Then pop them into the oven. In about 25 minutes, your kitchen will smell like a cozy bakery. Trust me, it's heavenly. If you like to, you can make a simple cream cheese glaze while the rolls are baking. Since I forgot to buy the powdered sugar, I let it today. But if you like to, it's just a cream cheese, powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla, the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, soft, cozy cinnamon rolls that are just perfect for a relaxing day at home or maybe a picnic. Serve them up with your favorite hot drink and enjoy the warmth and the comfort of the sweet treat. Thank you for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have a warm and wonderful day. I see you next time.